Beautiful large one bedroom in Elmhurst with a balcony. This is entrance. Beautiful living room. High ceilings. All hardwood floors. Balcony all the way at the end. There's a closet on the entrance. Beautiful view, balcony. Kitchen, all renovated, very clean. Beautiful cabinets, that kind of space. It's a linen closet. Bathroom renovated, clean. Large bedroom. It's two big closet. It's a walk-in closet. Another big closet here. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, laundry in the building. 1 block from the train. 1 block from the Queen Center Mall. Yeah, Best Buy, Target, Macy's. An apartment is a very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.